What's good, YouTube? You know, it's your boy Domars. You know, back at it again.
And you know, it's your boy so rude, so rudely interrupted.
But, you know, I had to do this one because, you know, this is my game. I freaking love. I'm going to get a Ratchet Clank tattoo on me. I freaking love it.
And he's not joking. So, no, he's being serious.
I freaking love Ratchet Clank. It has, you know, ever since PS2, PSP, PS3, PS4, and now the PS5.
So we're gonna be reacting to Gamescom actual gameplay on PS5. So let's see how good it looks. Hey, y'all see it. Y'all see it.
For some reason I want to watch this, I don't want to watch it. I'm like, ugh.
No. We're back. And not far from where we last saw him. We may still have time to put a stop to this.
Hey, I think I found the lawn bags.
Oh dear.
Oh,
Let's
that's
show
tight.
him how it's done.
These graphics look really good.
Yeah.
Alright, bringing out the big guns.
That are bomb.
Okay. I tell you how I always upgrade the main gun, the robot, Mr. Roboto.
Feels good to be back in action.
Okay.
Last one. The train's pulling away. Let's
Bruh,
go.
this looks amazing, bruh.
Now I definitely gotta miss my train!
I'm good.
Ratchet Clank, I've been looking everywhere for you.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today I will finally be free of the both of you. Soon, everything you see will be mine. Say goodbye.
I'm mad that he let him shoot him.
What did you do?
Oh, dang.
Oh.
Was that supposed to happen? Hitting Nefarious's device seems to have destabilized reality. The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across. The rifts appeared to react to your device. Try pointing it at one of them.
I really.
Oh.
That was
Yo.
Games before train.
I don't know what happened.
Bruh, just how fast it loads, though.
That might be new. Like it's stunning.
This is worse than I had imagined.
Everyone look! It's Ratchet and Clank!
Yeah, what's up? What's up? I like how he stopped walking, like walking.
What's good, fam?
Yo, this game's gonna get hyped. Get hyped. Be hyped.
My heroes!
My hero.
I knew you'd come.
Might as well.
Was that a kraken?
Ah,
Or at least a very large octopus. I will never get used to that.
Hey, at least we're on the same planet this time. Nefarious is on the other side of that building. Let's get moving before he does anything
How you
else to
figure
break
that?
reality.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all
Yeah,
these
shot.
just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Oh,
He must
I'm
have
gonna
more
love this.
plan than he is telling us.
It looks amazing.
Can't wait to see what's new. More butts? That's all of them. We have to get the Dimensionator away from Nefarious. Oh no, not right now!
Whoa.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh.
Yeah, this is cold.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me. Oh.
Future New York. Hey. They get back in time.
Clank!
Man, this looks amazing.
Ratchet. We are too late. Ratchet?
Who?
Huh? Look at that thing. It's a party.
Bruh, so as being the Ratchet and Clank connoisseur, let us know your thoughts.
It's gonna be, amazing. I wasn't thinking bad about it. Now I'm more excited. It's like, do I want to fight somebody to get a PS5?
Bruh, man, when that pre-order come up, it's gonna be crazy trying to get a PS5, man.
Like if I'm at work and like, oh, released it today, I'm like, yeah, I got to go to the bathroom. It'll be 11:55. I'm be sitting there with the ad cart on the toilet.
Hey, luckily I can do that quickly. Ain't gotta worry about it. But let us know if y'all excited for Ratchet and Clank. This was part of Gamescom, so let us know if you're excited for any other games that they have showing today. And we'll be back with another one. Oh yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Gang gang.
Pick up!